So now I'm going to create an assignment in my Google Class. In order to do that, I'm going to press on this plus create button, and I'm going to click on assignment. This is where I'm going to be able to provide my students with all the material needed in order to complete this assignment. So the first thing I'm going to do is to give it a title. I can give my students instructions to help them out. I can have a grading system, or I can leave it ungraded if you'd like to just be able to provide feedback. I can give my students a due date for the assignment. If I do put in a due date, this is going to link to their calendar. If I click on topic, I could create a topic, I could link it to topics that I've already created, or I can have no topic at all. In this case, I'm going to link it to my homework topic. I could use an attachment if I've created materials like a PDF, a Word document that I would like my students to have. I could use this attachment file. If I've created items in my Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Forms, I could use that and pull it in from my Google Drive. I could provide my students with videos to help them along for this assignment, and I can even use links to help them as well. In this case, I created my assignment in Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my most recent because this is the assignment that I've created. So I'm just going to click Add. And I'm also going to provide a material for my students as well to help them out while they're completing this assignment. So I'm going to click on a video and add that as well, so then they're able to use that as a reference. So right now, for my homework assignment, I have students can view the file, which means when they click on their book report, they're just going to be able to look at it. They're not going to be able to do anything with it. I want them to be able to have their own copy and be able to submit it into me. So I'm going to click on this drop-down arrow, and I'm going to say, make a copy for each student. So that means it's going to take all of the students that I've selected and have their own individual copy for this assignment. If I wanted my students to be able to work on one assignment all together, I could have chosen this students can edit the file, which means they would all be working on the exact same page, but they can go ahead and edit. But for me in this case, I would like them to each have their own copy. I can even customize which students are doing which page. So I could click on all my students and I could have students completing different projects and different assignments. All I would need to do is click on the students that I would like this assignment to be applied to. In this case, I would like all of my students in my class to be able to work on this assignment. Once I'm ready and I feel that I have all of the material needed, I can click Assign, which means it would post to my students right away, or I can click on this drop-down arrow and I could schedule a specific time that I would like to give to my students. I could even save it if I'm not quite ready to post it at all. In this case, I'm going to click Assign. When I go to my classwork page, since I've already linked it to my homework, it will now appear in my homework section. If I go under my stream page, it will also post to my class that I've created an assignment. It'll even show as an upcoming task. It will now also show up under my to-do list as well. So that's a really nice feature with Google Classroom when you're creating class assignments for your students. Thanks for watching.